Hello friends and welcome again to my channel FISI. This is problem number 2 on the differential equations, and this time I have taken this problem. It is a first order differential equation, but there is something different in this, that the variables cannot be separated easily. Okay, and it is also not a homogeneous type of differential equation. So we will solve this differential equation by the method of substitution, so that we can change it into a type of homogeneous differential equation, and then we will apply the separation of variable to find the final solution. I advise you to just pause the video and try it yourself, and after that you can see my solution. Okay. So here is our differential equation. Okay, let us divide both sides by y raised to power 4. Okay, so this will become dx upon dy divided by 1 upon y cube, okay, is equal to 3x upon y raised to power 4 plus 1. Okay, now let y raised to power 4 as another variable. Let us take the variable as t. Okay, differentiating this, we get 4y cube dy is equal to dt, or we can write y cube dy is equal to dt divided by 4. Okay, now let us substitute these values in this equation. So we'll get y cube dy should be equal to dt divided by 4 in the numerator is equal to 3x, and then y raised to power 4 becomes t. Now it is a homogeneous equation of type fxy, fxt, okay, gxt type. Okay, so let's make another substitution. Let x upon t is equal to v, or we can say x is equal to vt. Okay, differentiating this with respect to time, t is not time, with respect to t. Okay, so dx by dt, and apply product rule. Okay, we'll get v plus t into dv upon dt. Okay, now we'll have dx upon dt, we have x is equal to vt. I will substitute, name it equation number 2, this equation number 3. Substitution 3 into, we'll get 4 v plus t dv upon dt is equal to 3v plus 1. Okay, now let us separate the variables. So this becomes 4v 4t dv upon dt is equal to 3v plus 1. Okay, 4v can be taken on this side, so it becomes 4t dv upon dt is equal to minus v plus 1. Okay, I'm taking this to another side. we have 4t dv upon dt is equal to minus v plus 1. Okay, so it will become 4 dv upon minus v plus 1 is equal to dt upon t. Okay, now we'll integrate both sides. So the integration of this side will be log of minus v plus 1 and minus outside you can do it by again by substitution. Okay, and this becomes log t, and let's say the constant is c. You can also write log c. Okay, taking exponential both side, okay, we'll have e raised to power minus 4 log minus v plus 1 is equal to e raised to power log t and e raised to power c. Because bases are same, powers are added. Okay, we can write this as e log minus v plus 1 to the power minus 4 is equal to, this becomes t, and let's say it is e raised to power c is another constant c dash. Okay, and what about this? This can be written as minus v plus 1 raised to power minus 4 is equal to t c dash. Okay, no, this will become minus v plus 1 raised to power 4, and this is t. Okay, now v is equal to x divided by t. Okay, you remember here we put x is equal to vt, so v becomes x upon t, so this becomes x upon t minus plus 1 raised to power 4 is equal to t c dash. Now we know that we have taken y raised to power is equal to t, so putting t is equal to y raised to power 4, we will have the final answer. It becomes minus x upon y raised to power 4 plus 1, and taking this 4 on the another side, and it will become y raised to power 4 c dash raised to power 1 by 4. Okay, so here we have y raised to power 4, and here is c dash raised to power 1 by 4, and I'll take it as another variable. Okay, let's say k. So we have what we have. Okay, let us take this k on this side, or I should take c dash raised to power 1 by 4 at this side, and here I'll have x upon y raised to power plus 1 just by cross multiplication. Okay, now I'll take this 1 upon c dash raised to power 1 by 4 as k, so it becomes k is equal to, this is y raised to power 4, so power this 4 and 4 can be cut, so it becomes minus x upon y cube plus y. Okay, and so this is the final result. You can simplify it further to get more simple answer, but this is it. Okay, now I have solved it using substitution and lots of things as far as I can do this problem, You can also try another methods, and please let me know if you have some easy method and some not uh, such a number of steps. Okay, so I will be very grateful if you let me know about your solution. Okay, so if you have any problem, or if I have made any mistake making this video, please let me know in the comment box. And thank you very much for watching this. Okay, bye.